So I'm going to nominate Jason, Stop-a-Doodle-Doo. That should be interesting if he does it. Jonathan, MTB Derbyshire, he's been out of the YouTube game for a while with his knackered bike, so welcome back, Jonathan. And Mitko, Juice Droog.
What you doing?
I'm just trying to figure out which is the best mountain bike upgrade in order to make me a better rider.
Oh my god, look at yourself, you look ridiculous. And you're gonna kill yourself one day with this Peppa bike. But wait a minute, I have an idea. I think I know how to help you.
Oh, please.
Better bike, better helmet, and some extra protection. And I'll leave you now.
Oh, thank you so much. Yes. Whoa. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. That's gonna be the end of today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed this sketch that my missus helped me to film for you guys. I've been nominated from Electric Mountain Biker to do a video about the best mountain bike upgrade. And guys, to be honest, I do rely on technology quite a lot. I made a dissertation. If technology can make you a better rider, and the dissertation and the research have proved that yes, definitely technology can boost your confidence, and definitely technology can help you to progress quicker. Having the correct tool for the job, guys, is very important for me. So I would say that the best mountain bike upgrade for me is the whole bike. Having a good, strong machine will definitely give you more confidence on the trial. I will never, limit your progression. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I shall see you in the next one. And remember, if I can do it, anyone can, guys. Enjoy your rides! Oh, it was all just a bad dream. Whew, thank God. The beast.
Idiot. And this bike is gonna kill you one day. No, again. Oh my god, you look ridiculous. You're gonna kill us. What you doing?
I'm just trying to figure out. Look, you made it now so funny.
Ow.
Ow.
Okay.